There you go. Step one. Normally I have turbo shears, but my van's in the shop, so sorry about the camera falling. There you go. And there's my ductwork down beneath. That's what it's gonna look like. And then later we come through and get off me. Put this thing and just slides over the top. And you screw it down. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, fast forward. Hole number 2 is cut. Just waiting on my drops. That's the one we've already got done. Eat some rain here. I already feel sprinkles on my head, so that's what she looks like. Like I said, it's just a roof exhaust bit. There's the other one.